is up, YouTube? Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas, as this video is the first video for my 2022 YouTube videos. So today's video is the exciting one. It's the one I've always been looking forward to for a very long time, and I've been going on about it and haven't done it. So today we're installing the Airtec Intercooler to our Sirocco, and then this opens the doors to a stage 2 map. So without further ado, let's go down to our famous, trusted panel beaters, body shop, everything, TP Smart Repairs, and get this done with Tommy. So catch you guys down there now. So guys, we're about to remove the bumper. Well, not the bumper, sorry, the bloody splitter. So that's over there. But yeah, that's come off. Oh, and then yeah, it's just all these bolts and shit to come off, and then we should be good. Joe's looking for stuff at the moment. But yeah, we should be good after that. And it can all come off. So this is the Airtec Intercooler. Got pipe. There's one for OEM looking, so it's black, which look pretty sick. Normal. Some bolts. No idea what that is, but I'm sure Tommy will tell me. Oh, that looks sick.
Bumpers off.
Guys, this is not an easy job. I'd say take it to a dealership to do, because look at all of this that's come off. So I would say, guys, just take it to a dealership to do this, because oh my god, it's a pain in the ass to do. But I'll get a video of it obviously once it's all done, and well, majority of it once it's done, so you guys can have a look. But Man, it's a mess of work. Woo, this is the hardest one I've done so far, but let's get going. Okay, so Tommy's managed to get all this off, which is absolutely mint. You all know Tommy, obviously, but look at the difference between that shit, plastic, crap looking, to this solid metal, better looking. So we're gonna get in there now, but I'm holding Tommy up, so let's do this. Guys, I owe you a massive apology. My battery died on my camera mid-recording, and obviously halfway through it, everything's off. Like, I'm rushing too hard to get it done as fast as I can. So apologies, I couldn't shoot home to go get my charger for my camera. I don't know what's up with my camera. I haven't filmed for a while, and it just died really quickly, and I charged it the night before, so which is really odd. So again, I'm so sorry for that. Anyway, for the people who are new to my channel, just so you know, I've got a VW Sirocco 2010 plate GT 2-litre TSI. It's a 210 brake horsepower standard. I'm running a full Miltec exhaust system with a race cat. I've got RH spark plugs, coil pack. I've got an APR full induction kit, and yeah, so the car is modified, ready for stage 2. Another note to guys, now that we're ready for stage 2, I will be contacting Airtec, who will be able to remap this car, and I'm looking forward to see what numbers I can get. Hopefully, with permission from them, I can leave my camera with them, and they can, they can do some recordings, maybe just set it up in the dyno, just so we can see what numbers we're getting, the sounds, and so forth. With that, obviously the DSG is going to get mapped too, and I'm hoping for 280 brake. Knock me down if I'm pushing too much, but I'm looking for 280. And after this, I have decided I will be going KO4. I am going to be doing KO4 in this car. Obviously it'll be mapped again and all of that, but it's just more content for the channel, and just more joy I can bring out of this car. Anyway, let's do some pulls in this and just see what you guys think. I'll drop it down in a second, I'll pull off second. I don't know if you guys can hear that properly. I will know when I play this back, but the top end in this car pulls so much better. It feels like I've got a new turbo, but it's got nothing to do with the turbo. But it feels like that. It feels the top end just pulls. There's no delay in the top end. Obviously in the bottom end, I feel like I've got a bit of lag, but I think, I don't know, I'm not really mechanically minded and tuning and stuff, but I think maybe it's due to the fact that it's a bigger intercooler, so that might play some part. I mean, guys, please feel free to comment below, correct me, but yeah, so I'm going to take it out down another stretch. I'll find another stretch of road which is a bit safe to do so. So yeah. Stage 2, guys. Honestly, anyone thinking about getting an intercooler, do it. Upgrade your intercooler. Alright guys, well, sorry, again, apologies for the video, but yeah, I'm going to end the video here, this YouTube video. The next video I've ordered some gas struts for the front bonnet, so that I no longer have to hold it up anymore, because I realized yesterday trying to hold that bonnet up or trying to get covers off and everything, it was just an absolute pain. So gas struts, if I had them, wouldn't have been an issue. So again, thanks everyone for tuning in. Please don't forget, hit that subscribe button, really hit the subscribe button. I mean, you know, it makes me happy to see subscribers come, because then I know the content I'm doing, you know, you guys are appreciating it. And thank you to everyone who's already subscribed and liked my videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.